Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Here to Stay by Ms.E. I'm going to show you how I created this nice, bouncy, flowy, sleek look on my natural hair model. I used the round brush technique. My model does not have a relaxer. We did not use a flat iron. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, keep watching. So I shampooed my model's hair using a moisturizing shampoo, followed with a conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. Also, I used a silicone-based shine for finishing touches. I already used the silicone-based shine on my model's hair while it was wet. I decided to use the silicone-based product as opposed to oils because my model produces a lot of natural oils in her hair, so we chose a silicone-based product as to not weigh the hair down. So I am combing my leave-in conditioner in distributing it throughout my model's hair. You can also use a foam wrap product. You can use a setting lotion for a much more firmer hold, but we decided to just go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner just for that free flowing look. So I'm proceeding to blow out my model's hair using the round brush. And I love this technique because with this technique, you are able to maintain your style for up to a couple of weeks. I like this technique as opposed to using the blow dry pick because the bristles on the brush will allow you to get maximum stretch without breaking the hair. It will also give you natural shine. And your clients will not have to use a lot of heat on their hair after doing a blowout procedure. A lot of people don't like to use this technique because it is time consuming, but as I said before, it's going to be well worth it when your client does not have to do a lot of maintenance in order to keep the style. And it's just going to make the hair just last so much more longer than any other technique. You can also use a flat brush to do a blowout if your client is going to wear their hair flat or flat iron. But because my model will be having some curls in her hair and I want a little bit of volume, I chose to do the blowout with the round brush. I'm turning the round brush to the side. This is going to ensure that I get to the roots of the hair. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have another hairstyle for you or a hair technique. Also hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to share. I'm going to use my Marcel electric curling irons, and I'm going to put some curls in my model's hair. I'm also going to allow the hair to cool by wrapping it around my fingers after I curl it and using a pin curl technique. Now, with the exception of using the curling iron, this is how my model is going to maintain her hairstyle at night. She will use the pin curl technique and put on a satin cap to preserve those curls the next day. Now, she will not have to use as many curls as I am using here initially. She will probably only need to use about 8 pin curls, 8 big pin curls, in order to maintain this look, because we're not going for a really super curly look. We just want a little bit of body and a little bit of wave in the hair, so she does not have to put as many curls as you see that I'm doing here initially. She can also wrap the hair around her head and tie it up with a scarf, just depending on what she wants to do, whether she wants it to be straight or she wants to maintain some curl. This technique is going to ensure that we use a lot less heat during the week. If she wraps her hair up faithfully every night, she will not have to use any heat on her hair at all, which is a plus, and that's the reason why I love doing the round brush blowout technique. So I allowed my model's hair to cool just for a few minutes, and as you can see here, I am taking down the pin curls, and I'm kind of allowing them to relax by smoothing them with my fingers. As I said before, my model does not want a lot of curly curls. She just wants a lot of body and a little bit of wave to her hair. As you can see, the curls have come out looking really nice. The hair is really bouncy and light and flowy. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, share this with someone, and we will see you in the next video.